मैं हूँ अश्मित
और मैं हूँ गरिमा
and
welcome to our channel Damsels in Style.
So we're doing something, going back to our roots kind of a thing today
And guess where we are?
in a market.
It's Sarojini Nagar and this is our first Sarojini Nagar vlog
Ever.
but imagine in this
Lockdown.
situation, this is unlock something
Yeah.
technically.
Unlocked. So it's unlocked for us technically. तो हम we were curious to see कि सरोजनी नगर में क्या हो रहा है, and then we thought that you guys must also be curious to see कि if it's open or not. And
Or whether if it's the same or not.
yeah, regarding the crowd, regarding the collection and the discounts. So let's see what we can find out.
So let's go. Can't wait. Yay.
Oh, the gully. Entering the so many white shirts. So from the looks of it, it looks like most of the shops are open, but the crowd is like really less now. What do you hear? Don't go to something else first. I mean it's stone, so it's stone. अच्छा.
क्या हुआ इसमें? दूसरा ये हो कट्टा है इसका दूसरा पीस लगा उसमें। मैडम ये ले लो। ऐसा दिमाग लगाता है कंफ्यूज हो गया। चिथरू माइक की लड़ी ये चिथरू हो गया। सॉरी मैम।
They still have a lot of summer stock left here. So in Sarojini Nagar, for people who don't know, you can come here and get like good trendy pieces at a very bargain price. और मतलब जो भी दिल्ली में रहता है उसको सरोजनी नगर के बारे में पता ही होगा. So usually यहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ रहती है. You can't even hear yourself talk or think, but it's very quiet.
Which is, so you can actually get a feel of the market if you visit here, ना एकदम ऐसे शांत, slow
तो शांत हो
paced.
गया कोरोना की वजह से। जब से
मास्क
कोरोना फैलने लगा
लगाने पे
सबसे।
चलान हो रहे हैं भैया.
हाँ जी। अब मास्क कहाँ से लगाएंगे मैडम? जब पैसा नहीं होगा तो मास्क कहाँ से लगाएंगे? आप
नहीं,
बताइए।
जो
वैसे
जैसे ग्राहक जो आते
हाँ
हैं
जी हाँ जी
उनको चलान होता है.
हाँ जी।
आपने कब मार्केट कब से खुली हुई है?
हो गया 1 महीना हो गया।
अच्छा, मतलब जुलाई में ही खुली हो गया.
Find these really nice cotton sleepwear also.
Yeah, this is so soft. Pleasing to the eye.
It's pure cotton. कैसे भैया सेट?
450 है।
We are looking for some cotton tops and t-shirts.
Yeah, because
And
it's too hot to
anything
wear anything else.
It's not cotton, but it's hosiery mixed जैसा.
कॉटन में होगा। 2 कलर होगा इसका।
You check out that 150 rupees for sale.
आ जाओ। मैडम।
Flowers like
So this cotton is still better. There's some color here, so I don't know if it'll come out. So that's the t-shirt.
आपको चाहिए? हाँ
But otherwise the fabric's so good. And everybody knows I like light colors. So. There's another one. It's the same one.
बट इसका साइज थोड़ा बड़ा है,
ये फटी भी हुई है।
कुछ ज़्यादा है। तो मैं पोल्का डॉट्स इन पिंक,
ले जाओ 50-50 रुपये 50-50 रुपये
2 बबल गम,
ले जाओ सेल लगा है 50-50 रुपये
To Dimple Kapadia from that movie ना, Bobby. शादी के बाद
ले जाओ 50-50 रुपये 50-50 रुपये में ले जाओ 50-50 रुपये 50
cotton. Look at this. Is this cute or what? And just
मैडम बाइक की
looks white or looks minty?
looks green.
बट कपड़ा मोटा है।
But now you need to look for fall stuff.
Fall stuff. Because summer's almost over.
अब उसमें नहीं लग पाएगा सही।
Kakin do iyi. Hin kakato. Brinjal color na. Hin na kakin do.
चलो आगे चलते हैं।
ले लेंगे।
So but then it might fit Ashmir.
Will it go with my body type? That's the question. Or will I
No,
look
it
good with
will
that?
make you look a little voluptuous. But it's linen. So इसको वैसे प्लाजो की तरह पहन सकती हूँ।
तो ये ऐसा तो है already.
हाँ तेरे पास है तो।
Like this color.
On to the second block. पहले ब्लॉक में हमें कुछ पसंद नहीं आया, कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा।
मैडम मशीन का, एसी का, फ्रिज का, वॉशिंग मशीन
Fingers crossed for the second. रुक जा, एक चीज़ बोलते हैं डिस्क्लेमर। सी गाइज, इट्स नॉट दैट कि यहाँ पे कलेक्शन अच्छा नहीं है या कपड़े कम हैं, ऐसा नहीं है। बट इट्स जस्ट दैट वी बिकम मोर वाइजर व्हेन मेकिंग शॉपिंग डिसीजंस। हम ऐसे चीज़ों को नहीं लेते ज़्यादातर कि हम बस ले लें ऐसे।
And then they just keep sitting in your closet.
Yeah.
And by the time you get a chance to wear it, they're already out of fashion. Or the weather's not right or something like that. So you're just looking for a few basic pieces that can be, styled different ways. Looking for cotton and more of, natural fibers and not synthetic fibers क्योंकि they're just better to wear.
चले फिर। कितने का है ये?
ये 650 का है।
थोड़ी इधर आ, नीचे जा। बना तो लेकर जाना। It does look nice and casual.
ये पर
There's a set for you.
वो अच्छा।
I came to rescue. It's a full set. कितने का है पूरा set?
650 का है, डिस्काउंट हो जाएगा।
So he's giving the full set for 650.
Something tells me that this is not original Bibra.
ये
When I see 2 pieces ना ऐसे, तो उससे पता चल जाता है कि it's not original और उन्होंने बस टैग चिपकाया हुआ है। I'll tell you this, the shopkeepers here were never nice to us. तो अब देखते हैं if their behavior, if they changed their approach.
I don't think a pandemic would have changed that. Some really nice Indian kurti pieces that are here.
ये देखिए हमारी अपनी अश्मित को
I'm not.
गहन अध्ययन करते हुए
I'm just trying to figure out what fabric it is. It's
हाँ, we
cotton.
got it. Okay, so this qualifies as something to buy.
Yeah, it's cute. I like it.
The dog band.
Just 100 bucks, 100% cotton, not a bad deal, not a bad deal. 15, this is shop number 115. Variety of bags here, from leather to boho bags to these straw bags,
Baskets basically.
and then to these ones, these big, really cute,
These are for just $100. Yeah.
really pleasing bags, just for 100 rupees. Come check out.
Time for us to leave.
Time for us to leave and say bye.
But our concluding notes would be
That we thought the market was safe to come. कि आप आते हो, you can come if you're wearing your mask, if you're carrying your sanitizer, then you can like come here and browse and shop whatever you want. तो इतना hazardous नहीं लगा. Everybody is wearing mask, everybody is taking precautions. तो आप आना चाहते हो तो आ सकते हो.
और माहौल भी काफ़ी pleasing है. It's not very, you know, it's not very सुनसान that you won't be able to enjoy market, but like in this time you would actually be able to see what's all there, क्योंकि otherwise यहाँ पे इतनी भीड़ होती है. पूरी मार्केट कवर करना अपने आप में एक टास्क है. तो बट अब वो पॉसिबल है, तो you guys can check it out, and the shopkeepers are giving a little bit of the discount. मतलब
They're not very rigid on prices, so you can come and get good discounts. And कई शॉप से बहुत अच्छा डिस्काउंट मिल भी रहा है. Like the one behind us, it's giving 60% off on kurtis, so you can definitely come and check out. There are a lot of discount prices everywhere.
So this was it for today's video, guys.
Yeah.
No, this was it for today's video, guys.
If you do step out, do take all the precautions क्योंकि यहाँ फाइन भी बहुत ज़्यादा है.
मतलब हर कहीं फाइन है, and it's for your own good.
Safety, yeah.
So
This is the new normal that we'll have to get used to.
see you next time, guys. Bye.